Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This video is in collaboration with ISEE Hair. This time I have a half wig. Love half wigs also. So let's see. Love the pink packaging. We have our half wig, of course, and then there is a wig care card. Some of us don't know how to care for our wigs. And then they also have like a little brochure. Wig cap and wig band. I might use this. We'll see. So I have a Kinky straight 20-inch half wig. So this is the half wig. It's a really nice texture. For Kinky straight, it has a little silkiness to it. Love that. This is what she looks like straight out of the packaging. I wasn't expecting this 20-inch to be so long, but it's a long 20. So we're gonna put this on our head. It also comes with a adjustable strap. I guess if you don't want to wear the red one, they have a black one. I'm just going to adjust this one a little bit. And it also comes with a adjustable drawstring in the back. Half wigs are super easy to install because they literally take 2 seconds. Because the best thing is you can wear these and like do like the flip over method. So I'm just going to put all my hair in a wig cap and then pull out the edges I want out. Put all my hair in a wig cap. Pull out the edges I want out. So there are combs. There's combs in the front, on the sides, and there's a comb in the back. And put the wig on. If you wanted to wear it like this, you can most definitely wear it like this, but I'm gonna put some curls in this. We're gonna give this somebody. So this is what we're looking like. 20 inches. It's pretty long on me. I like to work in sections, so I just do one side at a time. So I'm just gonna clip the hair out the way.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My opus front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
So this hair curled really easily. I would probably straighten the hair next time before I curl it, just to get rid of some of those kinks that you find in Kinky straight textured hair. But other than that, I love how it looks. I was going for like a 90s big and curly kind of look, so that's why I curled it like this. But I would probably curl the sections a little smaller, but love how it looks. My hair blends with this fairly easily, but I found that I had to leave out just a little bit more hair to cover the end of the wig. But yeah, my hair is also straightened, so I probably would start with blown out hair so that it'll just be a better transition. But other than that, love the way it looks, love the way my hair blends, and the hair is really soft, and it's also super lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And then I just have to do a little 1-2 to the edges, but that is all. This install should take you no less than 5 minutes. It's like one of the easiest styles you can do. If you don't know what to do with your hair, throw on a half wig and go on about your day. But yeah, that is it. I'll be sure to list all of ISEE's hair information in the description box for you guys, and I'll also put a direct link for the unit that I'm wearing. And also, my hair is like a faded black, and the color match right now is like spot on. But of course, if this isn't your natural hair color, you can always dye it. And yeah, that is it. That is all. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.